Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. This poem was written in 1915 when Robert Frost was in England. Let's come to the text of the poem. When the poem opens, we get to know that the traveler is traveling through a forest. Okay, the speaker of the poem is traveling through a forest, and then he reaches to a certain point where the road is dividing into two paths. Now he has to make a choice that which path is more right for him to travel. Okay, so that's why he says, and this is the autumn season because the leaves have turned yellow wood. This is the autumn season. Two roads divided in a yellow wood, and sorry, now he feels sorry that he cannot travel on both the paths because he is only a single traveler. Okay, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now he says that now he tries to figure out that which path is right for him. He tries to look at both the paths, and he realizes that he cannot see much because the forest is dense and there are tons on the road, so he cannot see much on the roads. Then took the other, then he makes his choice and he chooses the second path, and he thinks that this is the right decision. Okay, because what is the reason behind this? He says that he chooses the second path because he thinks that it is more grassy. There is a lot of grass on this path, and this path is less traveled by people. Wanted beer means less traveled by people. So it shows that he loves his individuality and he doesn't want to go after crowd. Okay, and he doesn't want to go to that path which is frequently traveled by the people. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. And when he goes onto this path, okay, when he walks on this path, then he realizes that both the paths are more or less traveled by the people. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black, and more, and both the paths are less traveled by people because uh, you know because both the paths are grassy and have not turned black because of the foot traffic. Okay, oh, I kept the first for another day. Now he says that he's trying to console himself that he has left the first path for the second occasion, but he doubts that he won't be able to come back to go on that first path, okay, to travel on the first path. And then he says that when I will mention this experience in future, then I will be full of pain because now he has left the experience which he might have got when he has traveled the first path. So he has left the first path, and whenever he will remember this experience in future, so he will feel a kind of pain for having left the first path. And he will remember that how a choice was before him when there were two roads before him, and he decided to choose one path which was less traveled by people, and that has made difference in life. Obviously, what is the meaning of the poem? That the choices which we make our life different, okay, have impact upon our life. So this is the message given through this poem. Okay, so he has made that choice and which has a kind of impact upon his life. If he would have made another choice, then his life would have been something else. Okay, and the poem ends here.